A reading from the book of the prophet Isaiah. Thus says the Lord, "Here is my servant, whom I uphold, my chosen one, with whom I am pleased, upon whom I have put my spirit. He shall bring forth justice to the nations, not crying out, not shouting, not making his voice heard in the street. A bruiser he shall not break, and a smothering he shall not quench, until he establishes justice on the earth. The cosman will wait for his teaching. I, the Lord, have called you for the victory of justice. I have crushed you by the hand. I have formed you and set you as a covenant of the people, a light for the nations, to open the eyes of the blind, to bring out prisoners from confinement, and from the dungeon those who live in darkness." The word of the Lord.
Thanks be to God.
Responsorial Psalm. Give to the Lord, you sons of God. Give to the Lord glory and praise. Give to the Lord the glory due his name. Adore the Lord in holy attire.
The Lord will bless his people in peace. The Lord will bless his people in peace.
The voice of the Lord is over the waters, the Lord over vast waters. The voice of the Lord is mighty, the voice of the Lord is majesty.
The Lord will bless his people.